Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best gaming chairs that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're looking for comfort, durability, or a stylish addition to your gaming setup, we've got you covered. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the countdown. Starting off at number 5, we have the One Game gaming chair for adults. This is a sleek, racing-style chair designed for gamers who want ergonomic comfort during long sessions. The chair features an adjustable backrest angle and height, allowing users to customize their posture for the perfect fit. It also includes a headrest and lumbar pillow for added support, which is a great touch for reducing back pressure over extended periods. Design-wise, the One Game chair has a modern and streamlined look that will complement any gaming setup. Its 3D adjustable armrests are a standout feature, offering flexibility to move up, down, forward, and backward to match your desk height and arm position. However, the build quality isn't as robust as higher-ranked chairs, and its weight capacity and durability might not appeal to heavy users. On the plus side, assembly is quick and easy, typically taking under 20 minutes. While the One Game chair delivers on style and basic functionality, its limited features and slightly lower user rating of 4.0 out of 5 stars make it better suited for casual gamers or those on a tighter budget. Pros include its ergonomic design and 3D armrests, but cons include its lack of premium materials and limited reclining options. At number 4, we have the best office high-back gaming chair. Priced at an incredibly affordable $82.99, this chair is the budget-friendly option for gamers who want solid performance without breaking the bank. It offers freely adjustable lumbar support and a headrest pillow, making it a good choice for protecting your spine and neck during long hours of gaming or work. The reclining feature is also notable, allowing you to lock in positions between 90 and 135 degrees. The chair is covered in breathable, premium PU leather and uses a heavy-duty metal base certified by BIFMA, ensuring decent stability and mobility with its nylon casters. However, the build quality is lightweight, and the chair supports a maximum weight of 250 pounds, which may not be ideal for larger users. Assembly is quick and straightforward, taking only about 10 to 15 minutes. Which is a nice bonus for those who want to get gaming right away. While the best office chair is a fantastic deal for its price, it does have its limitations. It lacks features like a footrest or advanced adjustability, and its design might not appeal to those looking for a premium aesthetic. It's perfect for beginners or those on a tight budget, but don't expect top-tier performance. Pros include affordability and easy assembly, while cons are limited adjustability and lightweight construction. Coming in at number 3 is the Comhoma Big and Tall Office Chair. With a price tag of $152.98, this chair offers impressive features for its cost, making it an excellent choice for larger users or those seeking extra comfort. The standout feature here is the pocket spring lumbar support, which combines dual-layered foam and high-loft fiber to conform to your body's curves, offering a sofa-like level of comfort. The chair also includes an oversized adjustable lumbar pillow and outward-fixed soft armrests for personalized support. This chair is built for durability, with a BIFMA-certified 5-star base supporting up to 300 pounds and an SGS-certified gas lift built for over 120,000 lift cycles. The wide seat and high backrest accommodate users of varying body types, while the adjustable footrest makes switching between work and relaxation seamless. However, while the chair's ergonomic design is impressive, the outward fixed armrests may feel restrictive for some users. Overall, the Comhoma chair is ideal for gamers who prioritize comfort and stability. It's well-suited for extended gaming or work sessions, but its bulkier design may not fit smaller spaces. Pros include its robust build, ergonomic features, and weight capacity, while cons include its less flexible armrest design and slightly shorter reclining range. At number 2, we have the GT Racing Gaming Chair with Bluetooth speakers. This chair is perfect for gamers who want to add an immersive audio experience to their setup. The built-in Bluetooth speakers deliver crisp stereo sound with solid bass, making it ideal for gaming, watching movies, or listening to music. The retractable footrest and thick padded back and seat provide excellent comfort for long hours. The chair boasts smooth PU leather upholstery, a strong metal frame, and a heavy-duty base with a maximum weight capacity of 300 pounds. The ergonomic design, adjustable armrests, and reclining range of 90 to 160 degrees make it versatile for work, gaming, or relaxation. One of its standout features is the combination of functionality and style. It's both a comfortable gaming chair and a modern piece for any room. While the GT racing chair excels in entertainment and comfort, the Bluetooth feature has a limited 6-hour playtime, and the chair's overall bulk might be a downside for smaller spaces. It's great for gamers who value audio immersion and ergonomic design, but may not be the best choice for those looking for compact or lightweight chairs. Pros include the Bluetooth audio system and high weight capacity, while cons are limited speaker battery life and bulkier build. Taking the crown at number 1 is the GT Player Gaming Chair. Priced at $159.99, this chair strikes the perfect balance between comfort, durability, and premium features, making it the best choice for gamers and professionals alike. The GT Player Chair comes equipped with a headrest and lumbar pillow that provide exceptional ergonomic support, allowing you to game or work for hours without fatigue. The retractable footrest is a fantastic addition for unwinding after a long session. What sets this chair apart is its sturdy construction. Unlike many competitors, the GT Player Chair uses metal legs instead of plastic, ensuring long-lasting stability and resistance to wear. The high-quality PU leather is easy to clean and adds a sophisticated touch to its design. With a reclining range of 90 to 135 degrees and smooth 360-degree swivel motion, it offers versatility for various use cases, whether you're gaming, working, or just relaxing. The GT Player Chair is the ultimate choice for gamers seeking value and performance. While it's slightly pricier than other options, its premium build quality and thoughtful features justify the cost. Pros include its durable construction, ergonomic design, and adjustable footrest, while cons are limited reclining positions and slightly heavier build. It's the best all-around gaming chair for July 2025. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.